special that involves our wonderful parents and children. It's time for Mind Match, a parent-child interactive game. I invite Father Cornelius to take forward the game.
Good evening, parents. Good evening.
Good evening.
Jigneshjit Nayak,
Which class you are in?
class 5.
Class 5. Please go. Farin and Mummy, please come. Not there. Okay. Next pair. Come. Come here. What is your name?
My name is Siban Shubham.
Which class?
I study in nursery A.
Very good. What's your name?
Ananya Maheswari.
Which class?
LKG B.
What is your name?
Nilanjana Ghosh.
Which class?
LKG.
Well, we have the 5 pair perfect number. So, son and mother, daughter and mother, son and mother, daughter and mother, and daughter and mother. So the game is like this: how well we are able to read the minds of our parents, and the parents how well we are able to read the minds of our children. The games will go like this: parents will be given a cheat. They will pick up the cheat, and there are some words written. They will have to act and show to their child. Child has to read the action of the mother or the father. Say. Sita kono?
Elephant.
Wow! Correct? Go. Go to mommy. We invite the next parent of Sai Sampan.
Square.
मम्मी को देखे
Sukhan hat. Light kuda. Eighty. Light kuda. Stage. Bag nahi kya sunni se jo kiya uchi.
माइक 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 हाँ एरा धरो
बैग नेकी सबुदिन कोठी आस
Sabutin.
हाँ सबुदिन मामा बैग देकी रेडी करी कोठी की पठाए सकाळे
सकाळे ए जो रेडी पटेगी स्कूल में.
कोठी की
Go loudly.
कोठी की
School में.
School is the correct answer. Yes.
करेक्ट
So the next parent.
घर में.
इंग्लिश में
House.
Shabash. Very good. House is the correct answer. Come.
এটা কি মিয়াওটা যে করলাম কিসের অ্যাকশন ওটা
Mami meow kole seta kono?
পুসি পুসি
Pussy.
পুসি মানে
How word?
ওয়ার্ডটা বলো
Go to meow kore.
So thank you, well done. And it was mind-blowing. We can see how the child can understand, especially mothers. And that is what we can see today. We can witness for the first time as we are witnessing from nursery to class 2 students giving us the best program ever we had seen. So I thank the parents, teachers, our dance teachers, guide teachers, and especially Father Cornelius, who is the mastermind to take care. So best of luck, Still some things are there. Please do enjoy and let us encourage our students that we have the best students possible in Dhenkanal. Thank you.